Alright, so if you're using AI tools and you keep creating everything from scratch, yeah, that takes time. That's where presets come in. In Dola AI, presets are pre-made settings that instantly shape your videos, voiceovers, and content style. So in 2026, let's go step by step and use them the smart way. First, open Dola AI and go to your main dashboard where all tools are located. Now look for the presets or template library. These are ready-made setups for different types of content. Next, choose a preset based on your goal like motivational, viral, or educational content. Now click Apply. The preset will automatically set voice tone, music style, pacing, and structure. After that, just add your script or idea, and the AI will format everything. Preview your content to see how everything comes together. You can still customize voice, music, or visuals if needed. Some versions even let you save your own preset for future use. So yeah, that's how to use Dola AI presets in 2026. Instead of starting from zero every time, you just pick a style and create faster.